Well, good morning from Arizona. We're out metal detecting for gold. I'm Bill Southern, and glad you could join me. So anyway, we're going to head out here to the desert. We're going up a wash here, and then to the right, then to the left, and up over a hill, and then down a hill, and then we'll be there. So it's a little bit of a walk. I found some pretty good gold in this area before. Never been in it with the 6,000. So I'm hoping to maybe get lucky and find something other than bullets and BBs and wire. So without further ado, I got myself all suited up here, ready to go. Without further ado, we're going to head out there. I'll see you in a minute. Well, we've got a target up under this bush. It's going to make me work for it. So I'm going to work for it. Right in here. Not very loud. So, let's see what we got. Some of the brush out of the way, the rocks. Yeah, let's see what it sounds like. A lot of the noise you're hearing is my big coil I got on the 14-inch. It's hearing my pick while I'm digging, so. Strange sound in the target. Haven't moved it yet. Let's see what we got under here. Hey. Now it's a little louder. Okay. Bah humbug. Oh no, it looked like a 22 short shell casing, but that's just a piece of brush bark. So got it out of the hole. Sounds a lot louder now, doesn't it? Got it in the pile. Good size, whatever it is. Okay, we got it. Let's end the hammer down. A little more. Okay. Cross your fingers. In my hand. Huh. It seemed to have dropped it. Now how I could miss that in the scoop. That's exactly what I did. I threw it right back in the hole. See, you get in a hurry. Okay, it's right here. Okay, we got it again. Jeez. That's why I put my dirt close to the coil, so it's easy to find it when you drop it. It happens a lot. piece of wire. That's why it was so hard. Sneaking piece of wire. That's how you start your day sometimes, right? Well, here we go. We got a target. I went over another wash. Where was it? Right here. Not real loud. Could be that hot rock. Perhaps. Let's see. No. 6,000 doesn't hear a lot of hot rocks. Unlike a lot of detectors that hear every darn one of them, drive you crazy. But it is what it is. Use what you got. I really like this beast. Right about there. So shallow and small. Haven't dug a BB yet, so maybe it's my first one. Let's flatten this out a little more. Right in here. Getting louder and deeper. Well, you only got to get a couple inches deep and you're got a good chance of it being a nugget. Right on top, sometimes, but not very often. Okay, it's in this pile of dirt. This scoop's got this cool little well on it. Helps catch heavy stuff. Okay, see what we got, huh? Okay, it's in my hand. Sounding kind of trashy. Huh, that was going to be that. One of these two. This right here. And it is a BB. Right there. It's down pretty good though. Definitely a little yellow, no yellow there. Okay, well, you hadn't seen me dig a BB yet, so I know you're just waiting for it. And there we go, got that out of our system. Let's go find some gold. Okay, we got a target up under here. We're gonna dig it up and see what it is. Well, just another stinking BB. Yada, yada, yada. Off we go. Still looking for that first nugget of the day. Well, my friends, tomorrow's my birthday, May 3rd. Usually I go out the day before my birthday and get a nugget or two, but man, I got skunked good today and I walked a long ways. Just goes to show you. You just never know. You know, you just got to get out there and get boots on the ground and hope you get lucky. And well, today luck wasn't with me. So it is what it is. I got a long drive back, run to town for a minute and do all that. But remember, I always say that when you pick this part of the gold prospecting business, you picked probably the hardest part, finding a needle in a haystack like this. Just walk around and hope what beeps isn't trash. And, well, 8 times out of 10 it probably will be, unless you're in a patch. So anyway, I got skunked today. It's a short video, and I spared you about 90 trash digs today. I'm wore out, man. My arm's sore. I did nothing but trash. So I'll share those few digs with you, and some words of wisdom is still dig all targets. I dug a lot of trash today. And dig all targets. If you don't, you're going to leave gold behind. Somebody else will just get it. It's just how it works. It's beautiful out here, though, and I really enjoy the desert. So just getting out here and hunting is worth $1,000,000 to me, gold or not. gold or not. But I'll get one next trip or the trip after that. Nobody gets one every time, at least nobody I've ever known. I like to think I get them more often than not, but, you know, sometimes it isn't that way either. I've gone a long time on a skunk streak before, and it's tough. But anyway, my friends, I'm wore out. I'm going to drive back home. At least I got air conditioning. It's, I don't know, really hot out here right now. The desert's just starting to heat up and not ready for it yet. So, anyway, like, subscribe, ring the little bell. And that way you won't miss my next one. Maybe I'll find gold. Maybe I won't. Nugget shooter out.